Why is this real estate market so hot? The average price is at new record highs, and in this video, we're gonna look at the 5 things driving this market and what you should do about it. Who's that guy in the background? What? So handsome. Hi, I'm Paul Haley, Toronto realtor, investor, educator, and speaker, and I want to help you understand real estate. So TRREB just released the numbers for February 2021. So now we're comparing February 2020 to February 2021. Sales were up a staggering 52.5%. Condo sales actually led the charge at 64%. New listings are up 42.6%, which is, it's up, it's good, but it's not keeping pace with sales, which is putting pressure on prices. Hence, prices are up 14.9% to just over $1 million. So it's the first time Toronto's gotten over $1 million. Congratulations, Toronto. You made it over $1 million. I don't know if that's good or bad, but that's probably scaring some people. And the home price index was up 14.8%, which measures like to like. All in all, it's a very competitive market, and it's even shifted since the fall. And there are 5 primary reasons why this market has shifted. The first is, listen, buyers are feeling, maybe a little bit exuberant. They see the end, they see the light at the end of this tunnel, of this lockdown tunnel. And so they're getting interested in buying. And to fuel that, Canadians have saved literally hundreds of billions of dollars more than they would have. And so now they're using that money combined with, historic low interest rates, meaning they have lots of access to loans and capital to get out there and to start buying houses. And on the supply side, Toronto structurally has a supply problem. We're not meeting the demands, our housing demands, and especially when immigration comes back, that's gonna get even worse. And people are delaying sales, especially downsizers, because a lot of them they don't wanna sell their house and move into a condo, and we're still in the middle of this. And they probably won't consider that until we get through this and everyone gets vaccinated. And just in case you're feeling special, Toronto, this isn't a Toronto problem. This is happening all over the world. Real estate prices are up in every city, and particularly cities like Toronto that have long-term supply issues. As we talked about before, there is a widening price gap between houses and condos, right? So as an example, semi-detached houses are up in the GTA just over 20%, and condos prices are actually down almost 4% in the GTA. So this gap has been widening. And a wise man, me, said many months ago that we were gonna see a supply glut in condos in the fall of 2020, and that's exactly what happened. So as an example, in November, there were 340 condos sold in C1, so that's downtown, that's the downtown core. There were 823 new listings, so around 40% sales to new listings ratio, which is very low and typically signals a buyer's market. And there was almost 1,600 active listings, which was almost about 5 months supply at that time in November. And now in February, there's 611 condos that sold in the month of February, and there were 664 new listings. So that's around a 95% sales to new listings ratio, which means a really, really strong seller's market. It hasn't quite translated into that yet, but it soon will. And there are 571 active listings, so less than 1 month supply. Now, a lot of those, have hit the rental market, and I'm assuming that, once prices start to recover, people that haven't rented those are gonna start to sell them to end users, which, I think we still have a few more months in supply. Cross your fingers. Congrats to all our clients that listened to what we were saying and secured a property in the fall. If you're looking, now is the time. Now is the time to start looking. And there is still, there's still good value in condos, right? Because we have this gap. And now if we look at, say, a 2-bedroom, freehold, a 2-bedroom house in a good neighborhood, they're unaffordable. You know, they're way past that $1 million mark. But if we look at, say, a 2-bedroom condo in a great neighborhood, probably, you know, similar square footage, maybe a bit smaller, you know, they're still trading at good prices, and you have a great view, you're in a great neighborhood, and eventually you'll have access to great amenities. Oh, I kicked it. So is this market gonna slow down? You know, traditionally when prices go up, you're gonna see, you know, a lot more sales, and I think we will see some of that. The problem is, you know, listen, we have a long-term supply problem, and we haven't even really gotten into immigration yet. You know, I think once September hits and, you know, universities open up again and we see lots of immigration, we're gonna have a supply situation that's gonna be, you know, exacerbated, and interest rates are gonna remain, you know, at historic lows. You know, they're already sort of moving up on the 5-year fixed as bond rates move up, but you know, they're still affordable, and you know, that's not really gonna change, at least in the short to medium term. So what should you do about it? That's really the point of all this, is you gotta get out there and take action. And if you're looking to buy, you know, listen, now is the time to start looking, and especially if you're looking for condos, you know, if you can get a place and lock in at a decent rate, you can afford it, and you know, if the market takes off and goes past you, that's fine, or if it stays flat, you know, that's fine too. At least you can afford your home, and it'll be a great long-term strategy. If you're looking to sell, there's probably never been a better time to sell. What can I say? Prices are where prices are. You know, so please reach out to us. You know, we can help you get prepared for a sale. And if you're looking to invest, it is challenging times for investors. Rents are down significantly. You know, I have a couple of vacancies that we're trying to fill. It is a difficult time, and if you're developing, you know, the cost of materials has indeed skyrocketed, but there are still opportunities out there, and if you want to talk about that, please book a free, no obligation investors consultation. I hope you found that hugely helpful. If you're looking to buy, sell, or invest, please reach out. We'd love to help. paul@thinkto.ca. Please leave a comment below, and please like this video so I'll know to make more of this type of content. And please smash that subscribe button so you get updated when we post a new video each and every week. Talk soon.